Whether you're a creator, marketer, or business owner, converting your articles and blog posts into videos is a trick that you definitely should master, as it saves you a ton of time and it ensures that you never run out of video ideas. So in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to take your blog posts and articles and turn them into super engaging videos. It only takes minutes, and you can do it even if you have no video editing experience, all with a free online video editor called InVideo. Sounds super useful, right? Let's get started. First things first, you want to sign up for a free InVideo account if you haven't already done so. I'll drop a link in the description below. Once you're signed in, you can go to the Brand Presets tab, and there you can upload your logo and select your brand colors. And then once you plug those in, it'll automatically load them into every project you create. And if you do ever want to change the colors for a different brand, or if you want to change the logo, don't worry too much about it. You can still edit that from within the InVideo editor as well. At this point, you can also add your team members if there's anybody that you want to collaborate with on the videos. All right, now that you're all set with that, you want to come back to the home page and you're going to select the text to video option. This will load up the templates that are designed more specifically for turning blogs and articles into videos. And then you can simply select the aspect ratio that you want to use for your videos. So 16:9 or wide is great if you're creating YouTube videos or primarily for desktop audiences. Square is great if you're creating videos for social media feeds, and 9:16 is great for Instagram stories, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and primarily mobile audiences. And if you are looking to create the video for multiple platforms, I'll show you a super easy way how you can duplicate and resize your videos. We'll get to that later. All right, so now you'll see all these templates. You can go ahead and click on one that you like and preview it. And then if you want to use that one, click use this template and you'll be able to start building your video. This will bring you to the first step, copying and finalizing your text. You can either copy and paste your headline and text if you already have your script ready, or you can paste the URL of your article or blog post, and InVideo will automatically script it for you. Just keep in mind, we can pull text from most websites, but there are some websites that have it disabled. So if it's not working for you, you can just enter the text manually. When you're pasting your script, make sure you enter each new sentence on a new line so that InVideo can break it down into scenes for you. This will make it super easy for you to build out your video scene by scene. Once you're done with that, you can move on to the second step, storyboarding. This is where you'll see that InVideo has automatically converted every sentence of your script into a scene. You can easily add or duplicate scenes. You can reorder them if you feel like the flow of the script needs to change, or you can even delete them. You can also change the scene to a different type using the drop-down menu. For example, you can choose quotes or questions, and you will see that it automatically changes your scene type to best represent that. You'll also notice that if you put too much text for any scene, InVideo will give you a little warning that it might not look good with that much text. So you can easily go and make it shorter or just split the sentences into smaller ones by using the split button. Now it's time for you to bring your storyboard to life by adding your own media. You can simply drag and drop media from our built-in media library of over 8 million royalty-free images and video clips, or you can upload your own if you have it. You can use the play button to do a quick preview of each scene and then make any changes that you want. All right, so now you have a tentative storyboard of how your video is gonna look with your own media and text. So now you can use the edit option to fine-tune your scenes and add your final touches. This will bring you to our timeline where you can make micro adjustments to the position of your scene's elements as well as their duration. Once done, you can hit save, and that'll take you back to the storyboard so you can look at all your scenes one by one. And then if you want to further view your scenes on a more traditional timeline, you can simply hop over to the advanced editor, and from there you can get even more control over the elements of your video. If you want to know more about what the timeline can do for you, check out this video where I go through all of the capabilities you have access to with InVideo's timeline. This brings us to the last step, which is to add an appropriate music track to your video. Again, you can select one from our built-in library of thousands of royalty-free music tracks, as well as sound effects, or you can upload your own music. Awesome. Now that your video is just about ready to go, you can use the preview button and play all of your scenes to make sure they look good. And if everything is good to go, you can hit export and your video should be ready to download within minutes. You can also easily share this video across all your social media channels or generate a preview link that you can share with your friends and your coworkers and anyone else who's working on the video with you. Also, I said that you can easily duplicate and resize your videos for multiple social media platforms, so I'll show you how to do that now. Select the size of the second version, and InVideo will automatically duplicate and create a new project for you in your requested size, and then you can go ahead and edit it following the same steps we covered before. and you can do that with all 3 different sizes. And if at any point during your edit you feel like you need help, you can always come to our chat support window and reach out to an InVideo expert that's available 24/7 and will get you back up and running in no time. If you found value in this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and check out this tutorial where we show you how you can leverage over 5,000 ready-to-use templates to create gold standard marketing videos. I'm Teresa with InVideo, and I will see you in the next one.